Alright, so we're printing memory in our memory viewer so far, but we're only printing character memory. We can print any kind of memory. Let me show you what an integer would look like. We'll grab length here. First of all, message is a pointer to a character. In this case, it's a pointer to a character array as well, to a dynamically allocated array, but it's just a pointer to a character. I can make a pointer to an integer, call it int ptr here. A pointer to an integer has an integer's address held inside of it. This right here, the ampersand, is the address of operator, and it will give you the address of any variable. And if I wanted to print our variable in the same way that I'm printing the message here, I could do this. Hold on, let me get rid of some code here. Char star int ptr. And now, whoa, debug assertion failed. What's all this stuff? Let's try that again, see if it happens again. Whoop, there it is. Alright, let's figure out what's going on here. It's kind of working. We can see right here. Oh, you know what's happening? It's trying to free message, and message is, that's what's going on. It's because I'm no longer allocating message. When it gets here, it crashes. So this will work now. Let me try this. Okay. Now it's actually printing out what we want. This all looks like gobbledygook, but there's some data here that is actually exactly what we want. This right here, this female symbol, is one of the ASCII codes in the Win32 console. And then there's these 3 zeros. This right here means that there's 1 byte that has the value, I don't know, is that 11 or 12? One of those. Let's figure out what it is. I can print out the value inside of length. I can do that like this. Printf %d/n, so it'll print a decimal digit and then go to the next line. Len. Oh, and in order to do that, I need to #include stdio.h. I can also do it this way. Star int ptr. So this right here will grab the data from the variable. This right here will grab the data from the exact same variable, except it'll grab it via the pointer. It will dereference the address of the pointer to give us the exact same number. So this should give us either 11 or 12. 12. So that right there is ASCII value 12. And I can verify that like this. So here, 12 is the decimal value of len. This symbol is the character value of len. If I wanted to print out the address of len, I could do that like this. Printf %d address in decimal, and then I'll have the address in hexadecimal, and that'll look like this: 0x %08x address of len and address of len. Or we could replace this with int ptr because it's the same value. Whoa, how about I spell it correctly? So there's the value in decimal and there's the value in hexadecimal, 1BFA44. Let me just line these up a little bit better so that you can compare. And now it's different, 3FFAD8. So this is the address of this integer in memory, which we can see right here being printed out for us.